Hey y'all, I'm just going to do a little read through there of the guided note taking. So if you wanted to follow along and listen to me read it, that's totally fine. Let me go here to page 326 because that is where the guided note taking begins. And we are there. All right. What is a simple machine? A single lever, a pulley, or a wheel and axle is a simple machine. However, when you put simple machines together, you do not call them simple. Most modern machines are combinations of dozens or even hundreds of simple machines working together to carry out a precise function. When a simple machine is part of a large system, we call it a subsystem. When you look at a large machine, it is often hard to see or even imagine how all of the subsystems work. However, when you concentrate only on a small part of the whole system, the workings of the machine become clearer. The braking system in a car is a good example of a system that you can analyze easily. The braking system shown above is known as disc brakes. The brake pedal subsystem is a Class II lever. The force of the driver's foot on the brake pedal is the effort force. The load is the force on a piston that applies pressure on the brake fluid in the master cylinder. As the driver pushes down harder on the brake pedal, the effort force increases the pressure transmitted in the brake fluid. From the master cylinder, brake fluid flows through tubes that branch out to every wheel. The illustration shows the final action at each wheel. The brake fluid exerts pressure on the brake pads that press on a disc. The friction between the brake pads and the disc slows and eventually stops the car. We're going to go ahead now here. There's an image of it on your notes as well. We're going to go ahead here to 327, the backhoe, page 327. The above figure shows another example of a highly efficient combination of levers and hydraulics, the backhoe. Also known as an excavator, a backhoe is a rotating combination of three levers. These three levers are called the boom, the dipper, and the bucket. As the diagram shows, this rotating assembly of levers is mounted on caterpillar tracks. The assembly swings around on a gear-like part called a slew ring. Powered by hydraulics, the three levers combine to place the bucket in any position. The boom is a Class III lever that raises or lowers the dipper. The dipper is a Class I lever that moves the bucket in and out. The bucket itself is a Class I lever that tilts to dig a hole and then empty its load of dirt or other material. So that's it really for topic 6. It's a quick one. On your notes, there are some points to ponder. Make sure that you go through those and you know how to answer those. And yeah, that's it. So quick one. Not much here in topic 6. So good luck.